Hey guys, so it's a beautiful day in the Spice Island, Grenada, and I wanted to start vlogging since I got up this morning, but I was so busy with so many things to be done. I was like, you know what, when I'm on my way to the gym, I'll start vlogging. So yes, I'm on my way to the gym right now. It's Saturday here, and the weather, it's sunny today, and in my mug I got some water. It's a beautiful mug. I only got it for $10 in one of the stores in Grenada, right? So this is just to keep me hydrated. This is what I have on to go to the gym. Tights. Yep. Hopefully I reach the gym because I was supposed to be in the gym since about 10 o'clock, but I was so busy doing things. I'm just leaving home and I need to go to town to get something. Today it's really exciting for me because I will be attending the Little Miss Grenada pageant. I'm very excited for these young girls. They're so beautiful, energetic, smart, and very talented. I can't wait to meet them. I'm not telling a lie, these girls are beautiful. We have really talented young girls in Grenada. So I just got home. So sorry I couldn't film anything because my battery died. However, what could I do? I'm home and I'm very hungry, so I'm gonna see what's there in the fridge to eat. It's very sweet and nice. Guys, I'm really tired for no specific reason, and it frustrates me a lot. The reason why I feel so tired regularly is because I am anemic, and yeah, that's it. I feel very tired when I don't eat properly, and I really need to take this serious. Eat a lot of my iron, like my Carriacou and so forth. It's approximately 3 o'clock and I need to get out of the house at 4. Actually no, I need to get out of the house now because I need to reach at Spice Basket at 4. Little Miss Grenada today. Oh my god. I think it's because I really like pageantry and I like being on the stage, and I understand being on the stage. And I know these girls are maybe really nervous right now because I mean I've partaken in a lot of shows, be it pageants. I don't really like pageant meaning taking part in pageants, but I like, you know, viewing from the audience. Well, modeling and pageantry is two different things. I don't like to be judged. I don't think my talent should be judged, but yeah. A lot of people encourage me and they were like, oh, you can be a queen, stuff like that. So I tried it once or twice. Yeah, so while I'm on this, I'm going to tell you why I really started blogging. I wanted to do it so long, but I set myself back because I was thinking, oh, people not going to watch it, and oh, people going to comment bad things about it, and I used to always think about what people going to say. But then as I grow older, I got to believe in myself a lot more and got to understand that, you know, you're doing this for you and you're the only person that sets yourself back in life, right? Nobody sets you back but yourself. So whatever you want to do in life, you go for it. Stop thinking about what people think about you, right? If people talking about you, that means you're doing something right. Well, it depends, right? So as I say, I should be out of the house right now, so I'm going to get ready. I'm not too sure what I'm going to wear, but something black because I'll be backstage with the girls. I'm just gonna finish eating this popper, then maybe go wash my hair and try to braid it back because I'm not too sure what I am going to do with my hair, right? So stay tuned and I'll be right back. Oh guys, before I go to the shower, let me show you my view. It's so amazing. I think you're gonna like it as well. Ooh, let me show you. Oh. So I'm about to shower. I'll wash my hair and maybe I'll wear Lucy in the back there. You see Lucy? It's my wig. I'm not certain what I will do with my hair, so I'll figure it out. Okay, so I just got from the shower, washed my hair. See how thick it is? Ugh. Alright, so I'm going to figure out what I want to do. Still have not decided if I want to wear Lucy as yet. However, I think I want to wear it because I've been wearing my hair like this for 2 months. So I want to look a little different, right? In the background is my roommate singing. She goes by the name Sanika, so maybe you should go look her up on YouTube, Sanika Mackie. Anyways guys, let me figure out what I want to do with this hair and I'll get back to you, so stay tuned. Okay, so I'm all dressed and ready to go. I actually changed the dress that I picked out. I decided to wear this one because it feels much comfortable. Yeah, so I decided to wear my wig also, and I hope you'll like it. And I did my own makeup. So this is what I look like. Okay. I am late, so I'm gonna get going right now. So when I get there, I'm going to start vlogging again. So bye bye. I took like an hour to get ready. Yep. I'm going to get a bus. Unfortunately, I'm not driving today. I hope I don't take too long to get a bus.
Purchase your tracks today.
Seems pretty dead out here. Okay, so I'm waiting on a bus to take me to St. George's, and then I gotta take another bus to Spice Basket. So see you there. I think I'm really liking this, you know? Vlogging. I'm so happy I started, you know, because it gives me the sense that I'm doing something that I love, and I just want to share with my viewers the things that I do. Today was not a day that I did my laundry, but usually on Saturdays I would get my laundry done and so forth, but I wasn't home for the Friday night, so I was not home, so I got home like after 1, so there's no way I could have done that. So when I got home, well, as you can see what I did, so now I'm here, and it's approximately 5 minutes to it's approximately 5 minutes to 5. So yeah, I'm going backstage now. So I met one of the contestants, Nika. She's so beautiful. I tell you guys, we got some beautiful young girls here. Good luck tonight, Nika. You're welcome. Okay. See, people are starting to pouring. I think the show is going to be great. Getting a lot of support from people, because this show was being advertised for over 4 months. So yeah, I think people are already interested in coming to support the girls. So let's see how that will go. Say hi, guys. Say hi, Shy.
OGEB.com
made me so proud. The age groups are from, let's say, 8 to 12, and I think they're very, very brave for young girls. I mean, I couldn't done it, trust me. And they don't seem nervous at all. I mean, that is so amazing for young girls. As one of the contestants said, it's an avenue for them to speak up, because it's not only about beauty, you know. We're girls, we have a voice as well. So yeah. So I just got home from the Little Miss Grenada pageant. It was great, as I said. I'm just gonna take this wig off and wash my face, shower, and then I'll go to bed. Don't forget to subscribe for those of you who have not subscribed as yet. Like and comment in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye, see you next time.